This is the latest entry in the flip phone market, the Infinix Zero Flip. Now, if this phone looks familiar, it's because it's very similar to the Tecno Phantom V Flip 2. Almost the same phone but different brands. Today, we're going to see how this is a really good phone, but Infinix ruined it with one thing. So make sure you watch till the end. My name is Udi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Okay guys, so quickly before we get into the review, please subscribe to my channel. So YouTube told me that a bunch of you are watching my videos but you're not subscribing to the channel. So please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications. That will really help me out. Also, if this is your first time here, welcome to udishoots. I make tech review videos just like this one, and if that interests you, also subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Okay, let's get into the review. Inside the box, we have everything: a charger, USB-C cable, USB-C headphones, and a nice looking two-part phone case. Now let's dive into the design. The Zero Flip has a sleek look with a matte back panel that resists smudges. Whether folded or unfolded, the phone feels comfortable to hold, though it can be a bit slippery due to the smooth matte finish. The build quality is solid. The hinge has been tested over 400,000 folds to provide maximum durability. So the hinge is pretty good. You can use the device from any angle from 30 to 150 degrees. Infinix didn't skimp on audio quality. We've got stereo speakers tuned by JBL and it actually sounds pretty good. There is no 3.5mm jack, but Infinix includes Type-C headphones in the box. The fingerprint scanner is on the power button and it works great. The cover display measures 3.64 inches, featuring an AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1056 by 1066. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is a nice touch. What's cool about this cover display is that it's not just limited to checking notifications. It functions like a regular screen, allowing you to watch videos, browse the internet, and even play games. I initially thought that watching videos on such a small screen might feel odd, but surprisingly, I found myself enjoying it. Typing on this screen is surprisingly comfortable, and scrolling through YouTube Shorts or TikToks feels very smooth. Although not all apps are available on the cover display, there is still a decent selection to choose from. Plus, there are some unique wallpapers designed just for the cover display which add a bit of humor. As for the main screen, it's a 6.9-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED with a 1080p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It uses UTG flexible glass and it reaches a peak brightness of 1400 nits, which provides decent visibility outdoors, though it doesn't feel extremely bright. The screen has a tall and slim 22:9 aspect ratio, giving it a unique, almost cinematic look when watching videos. As expected from an AMOLED display, colors look vibrant and rich. There is also a feature called Flex Mode, which allows you to use the phone while it's half open with compatible apps like the camera, adapting to this setup. However, it only works with a limited selection of apps. The Infinix Zero Flip comes with Android 14 and XOS 14.5 right out of the box, with Infinix promising up to 2 major Android updates, a nice bonus. As expected from Infinix, there are plenty of software features including Smart Panel, Game Mode, Smart Hub, Memory Fusion, and floating windows along with enhanced AI features. The Gallery app offers an auto cutout feature similar to Samsung's, plus an AI eraser to remove unwanted objects from photos. The ChatGPT-powered Folax voice assistant has improved as well, allowing you to summarize web pages or documents on the fly. There is even AI integration in the Notes app, which can transform your drawing to stylized images. Infinix is particularly proud of the Infinix Zero Flip's compatibility with GoPro cameras. There is even a dedicated app pre-installed for it. So if that interests you, stick around until we dive into the camera section to check out the photo and video quality. This is where I feel Infinix starts to miss the mark. The Infinix Zero Flip is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset with 8GB of RAM, a solid mid-range setup. However, the Infinix Zero Flip comes with a hefty price tag of 1,065,000 naira, or about $650. While the phone does offer some great features, I think it would have been better priced around 650,000 naira for what this phone offers. Now, don't get me wrong, the processor isn't bad. In fact, it's quite capable. Here's a look at its Geekbench and Antutu scores to give you a sense of its performance. You can easily switch between apps, use floating windows, and enjoy split screen functionality without major slowdowns. When it comes to gaming, the Dimensity 8020 performs well for most games and it can handle demanding games at moderate settings. However, for 1 million naira, I would expect a chipset that could push high-end games to their limits with better efficiency. As I mentioned at the start, Tecno also has a nearly identical flip phone, the Phantom V Flip 2. So everything we are discussing for the Zero Flip also applies to the Tecno Phantom V Flip 2, as both phones share the exact same features and specifications. Moving on to the cameras, Infinix has gone with a dual 50 megapixel setup here. You get a main 50 megapixel wide sensor with OIS and a 50 megapixel ultra wide for those wide angle shots. And on the front, it's also a 50 megapixel selfie shooter. It's capable of 4K video recording at up to 60 FPS. At this price range, it's bad that we don't get a telephoto camera for zoomed in shots. Now the camera delivers decent results, but again for this price we are venturing into a territory where cameras should be top notch. For instance, I noticed that the ultra-wide camera struggles even in well-lit conditions. I mean, what is this? The ultra-wide camera isn't that good in my opinion, and at 1 million naira, it's crazy. You can check out some more pictures and let me know what you think of its picture quality in the comments below. Because this is a flip phone, you can use the main camera to take selfies with the cover display, and this is what that looks like. So guys, because this is a flip phone, I can record a selfie video by myself with the main camera. The screen is closed right now. I'm using the outer screen and yeah, 4K 30 FPS, no problem, just by myself. This is one reason you get the flip form factor, using the main camera, which is the best camera on the phone, to record a video by yourself for yourself. And now this is what video looks like from the selfie camera, the real selfie camera. 4K 30 FPS. What do you think? Highest microphone quality too. So we also get portrait video on the Infinix Zero Flip, but it's limited to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. But yeah, I think it still looks pretty good. Right now I'm using the main camera, so the flip is closed right now. Yeah, what do you think of this portrait video effect? Pretty cool. Battery life is decent on the Infinix Zero Flip. We are looking at a 4720 mAh battery, which is a solid capacity for a flip phone. You get 70 watts wire charging, so from 0 to about 70% in under 30 minutes, which is great. It also supports 10 watts reverse wire charging, which is handy for charging accessories. To be honest, I also expected wireless charging. So that's the Infinix Zero Flip, a stylish entry into the flip phone market with some great features, from the great hinge, vibrant AMOLED screens, and software features. The software support, solid battery life, and fast charging also adds to its appeal. However, despite its strengths, the steep price point just doesn't seem justified, especially with a mid-range chipset that feels a bit out of place here. For 1,065,000 naira, this phone could have offered better value with a more powerful processor like the Dimensity 8300 and a few extra camera enhancements. The truth is, if this phone didn't have a hinge and a cover display and it was just a standard device with these specs, it would likely be priced around 500,000 naira at most. So, is the hinge and the cover display worth an extra 500,000 naira to you? It's a great flip phone with a lot to offer, but the high price really limits its appeal. That's my take on the Infinix Zero Flip. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think the price is justified, or would you pass on this one? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more honest tech reviews just like this one. My name is Udi, this is Udi Shoots, and you'll see me in my next video.